And sources are telling Times now that there could be more trouble for Kanni Modi in the 2G spectrum scam case. The Enforcement Directorate is likely to file a charge sheet against Kanni Modi under the Money Laundering Act in the scam by this month end. Let's get in more details from Poonam, who's breaking this story for us. Poonam, what details do you have?
Well, what we have gathered from the sources in Enforcement Directorate that they have prepared the charge sheet. Only the final touches to the charge sheet is required. In fact, they have recorded statement of more than 20 witnesses in this case, and the Enforcement Directorate is stating that they are going to name Kanni Modi in this charge sheet with other people like Shahid Balwa, who was the owner of Swan Telecom, Rajiv Agrawal and Karim Murani. In fact, the main this charge sheet will mainly based on the evidences that shows that the money got laundered from Shahid Balwa's company, Swan Telecom, to Kusegaon and then to Senayuk and finally to Kanni Modi's company called Kalagna TV. In fact, the entire money trail will be proved with the evidences and the statement in this charge sheet. In fact, the CBI has already filed a charge sheet against Kanni Modi in 2G case. This will be the second charge sheet on Kanni Modi in which she will be indicted. Clearly, more trouble is coming up for Kanni Modi because CBI in their charge sheet has clearly stated involvement of Kanni Modi, and now Enforcement Directorate charge sheet under PMLA Act will further bring in trouble for her.
So after the CBI, the ED is also likely to name Kanni Modi in the charge sheet in this case, Poonam. But what are the specific charges which will be slapped upon her? What are you picking up on that?
Well, the specific charge that she will face will be under Money Laundering Act because remember in 2G case, the entire bribe money of 214 crores was transferred by Swan Telecom, Shahid Balwa's company, to Kalagna TV, and that is the main thing that was the basis of the entire 2G's case because the quid pro quo is the main aspect of 2G case, and in this case only one quid pro quo was the main thing which was spoken about, and that is the reason how CBI was able to prove the case against Raja as well as Kanni Modi. So this will be further trouble for both of them because in this charge sheet, ED will clearly show how the money got transferred from Swan Telecom after the licenses were given to Swan Telecom.
Poonam, for the moment, thanks for joining us.